Yeah.
I'm taking a video of you being brave.
Okay. Whoa. Oh, that's right. They have these letters here. That's cool. You coming? Yay! We made it. I know. Sure, we can go down that way. You know, walk down towards the elevator.
A couple people walking.
Just walking.
They have a place that you have an event up here.
Yep, it's a rooftop bar.
Almost there.
It's called the elevator.
All the elevators.
Call the elevator. Nice.
Oh, that's a nice view.
I know, what a view, right?
Like my ears on my hat.
I do like your ears on the hat. That is really clever. That was smart. What a beautiful day.
Next time I put the ears, I'll just put them on the point. If I want to put them on the point, I'll take them off of the thing and jam them in the sides. But I like it.
Elevator's coming.
There's people right there.
Where?
Right there.
You can see him? Oh yeah, I can see him now through the glass. Yeah. Cool.
I don't know if they're going in.
Might open both ways or one way? I'm not sure. Both ways.
Yeah.
Cool.
Are we going to 2?
Sure. 2's fine. Oh, wait. Are you guys in? Wait. Oh. No, that's okay. I thought it was gonna.